Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well and enjoying the online class. Today, we will start the new topic, the earth and the sky. And you all are welcome to my channel, Ingenious Platform, and this is Honey. So, today we will discuss this chapter deeply. We will discuss and revise all the things clearly. So, let's start. So, as you understand with the topic, the earth and the sky, we are going to discuss about earth and sky both. So what is earth? Among the planets, the earth is home to many because it is the only planet which there is a water and air available. So that's why life is there, and life lives here in so many forms, in the form of human beings, in the form of plants, animals, and different types of birds. So it doesn't matter where you live on the earth. You maybe live in the big city or in a village. You maybe live in a mountain area or hilly area or in the plains. So it doesn't matter. The matter is this thing that you live on earth. So wherever we live, it is on earth. We share the earth with other living things like plants, animals, and birds. There are millions of species and available of animals and birds. So, firstly, we will discuss about the landforms on the earth. So, what is landform exactly? As you can see the image of the earth, you can assume one thing, that is some part is green and some part is blue. So, the blue portion indicates water. Blue portion indicates water and the green portion indicates land area. So it is very clear from the picture that land area is lesser than water area. Okay, so water is available much more in comparison to land on the earth. Okay, so shape of the earth is round like an orange. It is made up of land and water. Water is more than land which is available on the earth. So firstly we will discuss about the landforms. What are landforms exactly? So our earth is not exactly the same everywhere. Somewhere it is high, somewhere it is low. Somewhere it is watery, somewhere it is plain. Somewhere it is a desert area and somewhere it's a mountainous area. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about the landforms. The landforms are the forms which is on which we live exactly. Like firstly we will discuss about the mountains and hills. So some parts of the land rise up high and to form mountain and hills. Means the mountain and the hills area is not plain, that is very high from the plain areas. Okay, and there is lot of cold sometimes, and sometimes there is lot of other things. Sometimes snow is available on the mountains, but hilly areas not every time. There is no snow every time on the mountains or hills. Exactly, as you can understand that some part of the land rise up to form mountains and hills. As I want to say one thing, that mountains and hills are high. They are high enough. Okay, so it is the picture of mountain and it is the picture of hills. Mountains are higher than hills. Okay, once again I am repeating, mountains are higher than hills. Next thing is flat lands. So flat lands are called plains. We all are. As I talk about myself, I am living in Uttar Pradesh in Agra. That means I am living in the plain area. Okay, there is no high hills, no high mountain areas, no desert, nothing else. It is a plain area and plants grow very well over here. That's why we can enjoy so many kinds of fruits, flowers, vegetables and crops. Okay, so plain areas are generally very nutrient full, and plants and crops grow well here. Then next is deserts. So deserts are hot and dry places, and they covered with the sand, and very few plants and crops grow over here, right? Deserts are hot and dry enough, and they covered with the sand. Very few plants grow here, and very few animal species live here, because there is very scorching heat and its place is very dry. An animal which is called camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Okay, it has padded feet and a big hump on his back, and it don't need lot of water and food. It can store food and water in its body and can survive for a long time without water. So it is known as the sheep of the desert. Who? Camel. Camel is an animal, is known as the sheep of the desert. Okay. And then we will discuss about water areas. So water on the earth, much of our earth is covered with the water. As I told you earlier in the video, in the beginning of the video I told that there is much more water in comparison to land. Okay, so water is found in various water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, lakes. Then we can see the picture of river. It is a picture of river. Lot of famous river in India are Ganga, Jamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Tapti, Vipasha and all. Okay, so there is something present on earth that we cannot see or touch, but is present everywhere. Okay, so this is the image of river. Then also water is available in the sea areas. Sea areas is not all about the drinking. We cannot use it for drinking purpose, but we can use it to make the salt. Okay, salt which we use in our cooking, and it is very important spice, and without that we can't imagine our cooking at all. Okay, but one more thing is there. Sea water is home to many, because lot of species of aquatic animals lives in the water, like fishes, whale, shark, and so many starfish, and lot of species are available in the sea areas. Also there is octopus is also available there. Okay, so water is available everywhere, but not each and every place water is ready to use. And pond is also a place where we can found water. Okay, next is the sky. Now we are going to discuss about the sky. As we can see the blue sky above us when we look up, and it is the earth's own roof. Means the earth is here, for example, and that is the sky, which is the roof for the earth. Okay, right? So sky is very huge. We can see different things in the sky at day and night. During the day the sun shines brightly. And gives us light and heat. Sometimes we can see white and grey clouds in the sky, and these clouds brings rain. Okay, these clouds bring rain on the earth. And at the night we can see the moon and stars, moon and different stars, and many twinkle stars in the sky. So this is the image of sky during the night, and this is the image of sky during the day. Okay, both are different. It is bright and it is dark. So it is complete from my side. One thing that I would like to tell you, that the sun, moon and stars are very big in the size. They look so small because they are far away from the earth. हमसे ज़्यादा दूर होने की वजह से हमें मून, सन और स्टार्स छोटे दिखते हैं, बिकॉज द डिस्टेंस इज एक्सट्रीमली हाई, they are extremely far, very far from us. That's why we can see, we found them small, otherwise their size is very big, right? Now I want to tell you the summary of the chapter. We live on the earth and it is made up of land and water. Second is mountain, plains and deserts are some types of landforms on the earth. Water on earth is found in oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. And then sky is the roof of the earth, and then we can see the sun in the day sky, and at night we can see the moon and the stars. So now the chapter is finished. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, share it with your friends, don't forget to give your valuable comment. Thanks for watching.